chirps in the middle of the night. So every smoke detector has a battery backup in it. And we recommend here that you replace your batteries every 6 months to a year. This one right here has a 9-volt battery. And all you need to do is take it out. And another tip you want to do is to hold down the test button while it's all disconnected. And then take a can of compressed air and blow out the smoke detector. That'll get rid of any debris, bugs, anything that get up in there and cause false alarms. This one will have a brand new battery to place back in. Test it. And then connect your wires back up to it. And if you don't feel comfortable changing your batteries or you have high ceilings, please give us a call at Smoke Detector Pro and we'll come out and take care of it for you. Thank you.